Okay. Ahmed says, what to do if your drive has depleted? What to do if your drive has depleted? Okay, so drive, we're basically saying like your motivation to do something really goes down. Like there's no drive, there's no motivation. What do we do with something like that? So the first thing I would say is that I would ask myself, why? Why do you think the drive has happened? Why has it gone that way? Okay, that's number one. Your brain's going to give you an answer, right? At that point, you say, why? Number two, right? And then your brain gives you another answer and you go, okay, I get that, but why? Number three, right? And then it's like, it's gone because of this. Okay, why is that? Number four. And then it goes, duh, 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 and then it goes, okay, last one, why is that? The five whys, yeah? Actually ask yourself 5 times, why do you feel that your drive has gone that way, right? Why do you have no drive? And think about the things that you're saying. Okay, so that's very good for highlighting like why you might not be feeling the way you should be feeling. Okay, and then the other side of it is actually thinking about your vision, because the thing that motivates us, the thing that drives us, is actually working towards a destination. Right? I'll give you an example. Right. So Ahmed, you asked this question. Yeah, I don't know if you're married or not, but imagine I said to you, wherever you are right now, 100 miles from where you are right now, Allah has prepared the woman of your dreams and she is waiting for you 100 miles from where you are right now. Or if you're very interested in business or something, I said to you that there is $1 million waiting for you 100 miles from here, right? Think about these different things and these different things that you might want in your life. It might not be money, it might not be getting married, it might be something totally different, memorizing Quran, whatever it is. Something that you're passionate about. Imagine that Allah said it's 100 miles away and it's there for you right now. How would you feel? Like, I don't know about you. If it was something I really cared about it, I would get up. I would say, thank you very much, guys. I'm leaving the live stream. I would get in the car and I would drive there, right? And literally, that drive will not only be the drive of the car, it will be my drive to get to my destination, right? And I think a lot of the times what happens is that people's drive goes down because they haven't set a destination that they really care about, that they're passionate about. So what I would say is that you should really, really focus on like setting a proper vision for yourself, setting a real destination for yourself that excites you, right? What are the things that excite you? And those are the things that you really want to kind of focus on. And those are the things that from that you want to build a vision. And then when you build that vision, you'll find that if you do it with something that you really, really want and you really, really care about, the drive to do it will be there, inshallah. And of course, ask Allah for help, stay continuous, keep taking action, and check out the best version of you. Again, we have something specific about personal vision and all this stuff. So do check that out as well, inshallah.